Colorful Lover guys. Good morning. It is another wet Sunday morning here in Samoa. Just like to welcome you guys. Special welcome to our eyeing members. Hope you all are enjoying Christmas Eve. But you know, people still gotta eat. So I hope you guys enjoy today's content. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, share our channel, and I'll see you guys soon. Here at Kuka, we're trying to keep it simple because tomorrow is Christmas, so I wouldn't want to make a big feed Christmas Eve and then another big feed tomorrow for Christmas. So that's why today is really gonna be simple. I am actually going to try and keep it real simple, but no not even as well, so we're gonna bake it in the oven. It's just a lot easier for me as well. And then we'll see what we have. I think we have there's a fish over there, so we'll try and see what we can do with that as well. But just really trying to keep it simple because tomorrow is Christmas and we're gonna do a big feed as well. So it's not efficient cooking big feeds back to back. But might as well just cook something simple today, then a big feed tomorrow for Christmas. So hope you guys enjoy today. Hope you guys enjoy it. So we're gonna get to it now. The rain is coming down very heavy now. This is the usual season here in Samoa when it's close to Christmas. It's quite a lot of rain. So only because it's during the wet season anyway. So yeah, we're gonna get started. So we're gonna check up our lineup for today, which is the protein. But we'll have a look. So we've got our fish. This is aku. I think it's called skipperjack tuna. We've got our ham. It's a block of ham. We've got turkey tail, PP, and then we've got mamui. So 1, 2, 3, 4 proteins. We've got domo to go on. I'm probably just gonna boil. Oh no, I might actually roast the ham with some pineapples. We'll see. But I'm gonna use the PP to make this sort of like a luau PP, but it's not really a luau PP because I'm doing it in the pot. Someone commented how you use taro leaves, if you can use it for stir fry. I'm gonna show you how I use it if it's not for luau. And then for the mamoi, we'll see what we can do with that. I'll probably do a stir fry or roast it. But yeah guys, exciting times ahead. Hope you guys enjoy, stay tuned. Just an update, mamoi was cancelled from the menu, so it's just gonna be ham and PP and the fish. Slight changes, but still good. So I'm actually gonna get started onto the fish now, the aku, because according to my pops, he said you have to roast the aku first, so we have to get it in the oven first and then take it out, and then we do the yaku. He said it tastes a lot better that way, which kind of makes sense because the flavors of the fish is enhanced once it's cooked a bit. For this fish particular, because this fish is so lala'oa. I don't know what the English word is for lala'oa, but guys, help me out in the comments. Get started onto the PP or the turkey tail, but I have to defrost it a bit, so it might take up more time. right, so we're going pretty good for time at the moment. You just have to, I've just got the ayaku left and the ham to roast and the BP as well. But our BP here is looking good. So I'm just gonna wait for this to, the taro leaves to soften, and then we give that another stir. But so far everything is on time at the moment, so really happy about that. Just gonna have a seat and a little break because my legs are killing me. So guys, hope you guys enjoyed the drone footage showed you guys yesterday. So felt really humbled and blessed because that drone was purchased from the revenue that we've been earning this whole year from our YouTube channel. So you know, it's all because of you guys, and I was just stoked that we were able to get that drone to help out on the channel as well. So as I mentioned yesterday, guys, you know, it's your Christmas present for me, because had it not been for you guys, we wouldn't have had the channel grow in the way that it did and earned a bit of revenue so that we could purchase the drone. So just reinvesting back into the channel with the drone to make our videos better. So you know, we're going to be using that a lot more now, and I'm definitely going to include it in our videos. You know, we'll be using it for the cattle farm, looking for the cows, especially when we're trying to, let's say for example, we're going to expand the plots again. We'll fly the drone up and then see which side we'd like to expand. Plus we also have other pieces of land, the family land, that we have to get to as well. So because we have to clear it down because it hasn't been used for a very long time, probably over 10 years at least. So that's something we could use the drone with. So it's you know, I think it's a great investment, not only for the channel but also the farm. So all kudos to you guys and thanks to you guys, everyone from the beginning. Again, as I mentioned yesterday, guys, from the beginning, everyone who liked, commented, subscribed, shared our channel, those who were in the super chats, our super donations, even to our new Ainga members, just really appreciate it, guys. So yeah, it's the growth of the channel has been phenomenal, and feel really humble because, you know, if you think about it, you know, who would have thought, like, you know, a Samoan farmer like me would actually get a drone, you know. Especially I don't have the money to buy any of that, you know. It's an investment that's out of the budget, because most of the money goes back into the farm. So this was you know, I was really happy with that purchase, and it was all because of you guys. So kudos to you guys. You know, I'm planning to make this channel really good, so hopefully in the future you guys will enjoy it. But yeah, I think we're gonna check up on the other stuff for the cooking, and then we'll see how we go from there. right, guys, hope you guys enjoyed it. The cooking episode. If you made it this far, thank you guys, really appreciate it. But I'm going to show you guys the result now because I am honestly hungry. I always make the mistake of trying to keep it simple, but in the end making it so complex. Sorry. Anyway, enough talking, guys. We've got to show you the results, so hope you guys enjoy. We'll start on this side. This cool family. We've got our Mamoy stir fry by Auntie with cucumber and tomatoes. We've got our BP with taro leaves, as I mentioned, guys. Make sure to cook the thing with this. You got to cook the taro leaves really well, just so that doesn't have that itchy sensation. We've got our whaiayaku there, very nicely browned and stuff. We've got our ham with pineapple, our block of ham which was roasted with pineapple, and we have our taro. So yeah, guys, it's a very colorful plate. I'm looking forward to eating this. Oh, so good. Would have enjoyed another ham slice, but anyway. Guys, I think we're going to cut it off here. Again, I just want to say thank you guys for tuning in. Really appreciate the love and the support you guys have shown for the channel. And the fact that we've made it this far is very humbling. And as you guys know, it's not easy trying to make content every week, so I appreciate every time you guys watch it, the comments, and when you guys share it and liking the video as well. So just a big thank you to everyone. Really appreciate it. We're gonna have a feed now and then probably relax a bit. We've got some church stuff for Christmas tomorrow, so tonight is Christmas Eve. But then if I don't get to jump online, just want to wish you guys again a Merry Christmas. Stay safe. If you're gonna drink responsibly, but in the end, guys, just have a Merry Christmas and enjoy. So we'll definitely catch you guys on our next episode, but until then, God bless, take care, stay safe, guys, and we'll see you soon.